Meow. Meow. So I like to call this one my centerfold kitty because kitties laying kind of like a centerfold. So I'm just gonna get this body mapped in here and all those little parts. Just a general shape. Just get the quick slope of those ears. Just once I get things mapped out to my satisfaction, then I start strengthening up lines. Get a footsies. And I do have this at double speed. Get through it a little quicker. Just get some lines in there to help me place the eyes. There's that lovely little paw that's hanging down. There's that other paw in there. And I tried to make the tail so it's coming back in and around to the drawing so it leads the eye back up to the cat's face. You'll find the link to our cat drawing art workshop on Facebook. It's a Facebook group. You'll find the link to that in the video description below, plus some other handy cat drawing links too. I think Kitty looks pretty comfortable now. I'm pretty happy with how I've captured the anatomy. I mean, those back paws look like they're kind of suspended, but we'll fix them. It might be a little bit too high, but that's okay. It's all a learning process, isn't it? And you got to add your own twist. Don't ever become slave to the photograph. And that's why drawing from life is so awesome, because then you have to get it down quickly, especially with cats, because you know the cat's going to move, and you just do what you can, and if the cat moves, you move on to another pose. And the practice, the learning from life sketching is phenomenal. I definitely encourage you to give it a try with your own cat. But don't discount photos either. They are quite handy. Just don't become a slave to them. And this is just a kid's school pencil crayon I'm using here. I find them great for sketching. I don't have to use up my good art pencils. Save the good art pencils for once I've had a bit of practice and I want to do one on good paper. And also, actually, the reason I started using them was because I needed something for my videos that wouldn't produce a shine on video, and graphite pencils tend to do that. These are great. They don't do that. And I usually get them at thrift stores and garage sales. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The subscriptions are what make this channel purr. And we'd be happy to have you help us build the community. So hit that subscribe, hit the little bell, and give us a thumbs up too. That'd be great. Kind of messed up on this nose a little. You'll see me correct it in a bit. Just want to, yeah, I want to do that over again. And I'm going to speed it up a little faster to 4 times the speed pretty soon, as I strengthen up all the lines that I really like and add the finishing touches to the drawing. As finished as this sketch will be. Just that one little extra line really changes the expression, doesn't it? Gives that kitty a smirk. And the same is true throughout the whole drawing. Just one tiny difference can make a big difference. Tabby marks definitely help shape kitty because they follow the contour of the cat shape. Just a suggestion of toes. Kind of feel like I should have had a better swoop coming from the back towards the tail. And maybe those back feet at different angles. And maybe define that upper arm, the one with the paw hanging down, a little better. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it all. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you really want to learn about cat drawing. I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time.